Reggie.
Go get it.
Get it, Reggie. Get it. Get it, Reg. Get it. You can get it, Reggie. Woo, oh, I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy.
Oh, is he gonna go?
Reggie, what are we gonna do with you? Your tail. Look at his poor tail. He's been chewed on by him. Can you go in your toy box? And you have water in there because he takes the water dish and moves it if we don't secure it.
Reggie, look at your tail.
Hey, no more drinking. Reggie, no more. Can you at least not drip all over the floor?
Here he goes.
And he's going to go into his toy box to get his toy. Now he just is going to sit in there. And there's Reggie. Sitting in his toy box. Reggie. It's not a bed. It's a box. No. No.
Wee! Reggie, wee!
No, don't. That will break. That thing is not meant, Kevin, it's a wooden box. It will break. It's not meant for him to be in it.
Hi, Reggie. He's just looking like, what is this? Reggie! Reggie!
If he's chewing that, please not. No.
No. He's like, oh,
He's going to break that. Reggie, out.
out.
Come on, Reggie, get out of the box.
Chase
Ow.
your tail. Is he gonna go back to his tail? Look, Reggie, I got your tail. Look, Reggie.
He's dizzy. He's so dizzy from running around. And he's back to his tail. I got it. I'm going to get it. Ooh, look at him. He's like, I'm dizzy. Are you dizzy?
And then he's gonna try to lay on his back with his tail.
Reggie, Roo. Oh, wait, no, there it is. I found it again. I gotta get it. Reggie. Oh my God, he got it. He pulled it out himself. Reggie. Stop. That poor tail of yours. It belongs to you. Don't be biting it. Look at the poor thing.
He tried to bite Bear's tail.
Yeah? Now look at this poor thing. Look at it.
No,
No, Reggie. No. Hey, no. No.
and he's going back in his box.
That will be broken by tomorrow. Okay, is that enough playtime?
Reggie!